If you want to change wallpaper on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, hold your finger on your home screen and tap Wallpapers. So here is your wallpaper menu. You can choose from the preset wallpapers. So we have a huge list here. So to apply one, simply choose one and press apply to. So now I have to choose where you want them to be applied, on the lock screen or home screen, or both. For example, here you can adjust a wallpaper style, use a blur, use a glass pattern, choose a depth. You can adjust your widgets, but basically that's it. When you're satisfied, simply press apply and it's applied now. As you see, we have right here. If you want to use your custom wallpapers, once again, let's open up our wallpaper menu, choose album, and choose any photo which you want to use. For example, we want to use this one. Tap here. So once again, press apply to, home screen and lock screen. Here you can adjust your home screen style, your lock screen style, the watch, the clock style, clock font, color, transparency, and so on and so forth. When you're satisfied, press apply and it will be automatically applied. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.